2 Japanese MH-53s loaded onto the belly of an Air Force C-5 Galaxy for immediate transportation back to the United States. The C-5 Galaxy from Travis Air Force Base, California is the largest, fastest cargo jet the military has, and it was perfect for the job.
It's not another airplane that can do this. We're going to take 2 of them out of here, and in a matter of a few hours of us taking off, they're going to be stateside where the guys can start work on them pretty quick, whereas the only other option would be to put them on a boat, and it might take a little while. So significant just because of almost the ease of it for us, and nobody else can do it.
The C-5 Galaxy fills a gap no other aircraft in the armed services can.
So the C-5M Galaxy, I mean, it is the largest military jet available. As you can tell, it opens from the front and the rear, so we can actually fit a lot more cargo than other aircrafts and other airframes that the Air Force has, such as the C-17 and the C-130. Carries, max gross weight is 840,000 pounds. Max takeoff weight is 837,000 pounds. It is a massive airplane. And obviously, as you can tell, its capability to carry 2 53s is phenomenal.
The retired MH-53s will be transported back to the States where they will be retrofitted to fit the military's needs. Reporting from Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni, Japan, I'm Lance Corporal Calvin Hilt.